Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi, I'm Bryan Ocampo. Welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to learn the purchasing process on pre-purchase. We're not understanding your consumers, it's often easier to think about yourself first before you start thinking about what they do. So, when it comes to the purchasing process, we'd like to think about what process do we go through when we purchase products. What is the trigger? What do I do first? How do I narrow down the products I would have purchased a product? What types of anxieties do I experience? Sometimes it's just easier to put yourself into their feet, their shoes, and then you can get a better idea of what's happening. So, this process is understood through market research. It's very important to understand your consumers and the exact process that they go through every time they purchase your product. If you don't go to this product, the process, you become guessing, and it's much more difficult to understand the process that they are going through when they purchase your product. So, the first phase in the purchasing process is problem recognition. Problem recognition happens when your ideal state does not match your actual state. So, for some reason you feel uncomfortable, and you need to fix it. It can be something as simple as, I'm thirsty, or I'm hungry, to something as big as our house is getting a little too small. So, I think in the next year or two we probably should move. Once you have a problem recognition or something happens and you need to fix it, you begin to purchase. Pre-purchase phase. The pre-purchase phase begins with the phase of doing an internal search or an external search. An internal search means, am I going on my past experiences? So, if I'm looking at, I'm hungry, I'm probably not going to Google or call my friends or go to the library to see what I should eat. I will just reference my past purchases and think, okay, I'm hungry, I'm gonna go eat some Taco Bell or something very simple. An external search could be something like, I'm looking to go on vacation. So, I'm going to go through Google and see what I can find. I'm going to ask friends and family what they recommend doing. That's an external search. So, the first phase, then of course, the pre-purchase, is the awareness. The awareness, that is basically all of the products that you find through your research, whether that's internal or external, and then the next key is consideration sets. So, I always give the example of a convenience store. If you're thirsty and you walk into the convenience store, think how many different products are available to drink. That's the awareness. The awareness set is so much bigger, though there's a consideration set that most of those products in there are not going to be considered. That's why the consideration side is so important as a marketer to get involved in. So, for me, if I go to the convenience store, the consideration set is coffee, water, vitamin water, and maybe a Coke. And that's it. So, if you're not one of those, I very seldom will consider anything else. I don't even think about energy drinks or milk or teas, or all the different kinds of pop better available Mountain Dew products like that. My consideration set is very small. Most people are also very small. So as the marketer, you can understand how important it is to get into that group. The final group is the choice that can be a little is obviously the most difficult, but a lot of times a choice that changes depending on the situation that we are in or the environment. But as I said, if I'm thirsty, I'm only going to consider water or vitamin water, but maybe it's a mid-afternoon and I'm thirsty/bored. I need like a pickup, then I'll think about a Coke or a coffee. It's a choice that is a bit different than the consideration set, but the consideration set is where you need to be as a marketer, and choice that has a lot to do with luck. I hope these tips can help you improve your purchasing process on pre-purchase. Hope you liked it and gained some knowledge on this video. For videos like this and more, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be updated about interesting upcoming videos. This is Bryan Ocampo. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.